Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. This video was supposed to happen like 3 days ago, but I had a really bad cold. Like, the weather has been trash, but that's not why we're here. So today we are going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty, So this is the Fenty Beauty new Fenty concealer. So this is the package that See, this is why I like to just jump into the video. Like, I don't have time for all this shenanigans. Anyway, so this is what the package looks like. I have 3 concealers. I have the Easy Drop. I think this is the setting powder. Then some other stuff in here. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of videos where people are doing the cool unboxing thing. Honestly, the whole purpose of my channel is just to give you guys a review, be honest about it, and keep it pushing without the video being 110 minutes long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. It says skin loving ingredient target signs of fatigue, medium coverage, natural finish, crease resistant. So we know that we're going to be looking for it to resist the crease. Okay, so here are the concealers. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. We're going to start off with the lightest. So the first shade I'm swatching for you guys is 430 Warm. W stands for warm. So this is 430 Warm. It looks like this. The next shade is 445 and Neutral. So this is what 445 and looks like down here. The last shade is 450. So this is 450. So this is 450 N, so neutral. N is for neutral, W is for warm, C is for cool. Okay guys, so these are the shades that I have. We have 430 W at the top, we have 445 N in the middle, and then we have 450 N at the bottom. So honestly, I can use all these shades. They're all going to look really good on my skin, so I'm very happy. I'm happy that I can actually use all 3. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm not gonna split my face into half. This is how we're going to test this product out. I'm going to do half of my face, full face makeup, and the other half I'm just going to apply the product by itself, as if I was going to wear it by itself out, just so we can see how it acts on its own. I'm basically giving you guys 2 reviews at once, okay? No makeup look, and then full face makeup look. So I'm going to start off with this side. It's going to be fast. I'm going to rush through it because the makeup look is not the focus of this video. The focus of this video is the concealers. Okay guys, so my mic died while I was filming. It takes batteries and I did not know. I was so upset. Everything I said basically went to waste, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the full face side first. I already had an Easy Drop skin tint. They sent me one, but the one they sent me was too light and the one I had was a bit too dark. So what I did was I mixed the 2 together and I got my perfect shade. So moving on to the concealer, it's not fast drying, so you don't have to worry about rushing to blend it out, which is a plus because listen, nobody has time to be doing cardio while trying to blend your makeup. It was at this point that I realized that my mic was not working and I was so upset. Like, I said a lot, guys, and all of it literally just went to waste. Okay, y'all, so I just realized that the microphone died. I don't know at which point it died. So I'm basically going to repeat everything that I said. Okay, so basically I've already applied the concealer. I love how easy it was to blend out. I love the applicator because I feel like it's literally created to fit all the right places, your under eye, to bring it out over the nose. I did all the demonstration. It was really easy, which I really adored. It feels really like hydrated. It doesn't feel cakey on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. It is medium coverage. However, you can build it up like every other thing else. You can always build up to get the coverage that you desire. I'm going to go ahead and set it. So I went ahead and I set it. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the look. Apply some blush. This is such an old palette, but I really love it. So this is the side with the full face of makeup. As you guys can see, the concealer looks really good. I haven't done lashes or anything because, again, that's not why we're here. We're literally here for the concealer. So we're going to move on to this side of the face, and this is going to be the side with literally the whole makeup, no makeup look thing going on. So my skincare is already done. So I'm going to take my foundation and using my hand to just make sure I get as little bit of product as I need, and I'm going to focus it on all the areas that, wow, wrong spot, on all the areas that I might have dark spots. So right over here, because I shave and pluck my face hair a lot, I have a lot of dark spots over there. Fortunately, my face, I think I have really good skin, so I don't really have a lot of dark spots. This thing, people think is a birthmark. It's not. It's actually from when I was younger. I was trying to use a hot comb by myself. I was really young, and I ended up burning myself, and it's been there forever. So if I wanted to cover that up, I would just take the foundation and just pat it into the skin, and like so, it is semi gone. I could build it up, or I could use a fuller coverage foundation, but for the sake of this video, we're going to use this particular foundation. And there it is, guys, gone. Okay, and you want to make sure that the foundation is your actual skin shade and not lighter or darker, because then we would be able to tell the difference, because the rest of your face would be looking different. I'm going to go in with the concealer. So for the concealer, because I want to brighten my under eye a bit, I'm going to take the shade 450. So I'm going to place it on the back of my hand, and again, using my finger. If I use a brush, I will get more product than I want. Okay, grab just a tiny bit and literally focus it under my eye. I'm going to pat it in like if I was putting on a eye cream, placing it under. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? This is so beautiful. So I'm going to keep going in little at a time so I get the coverage that I want. So this is perfect for me. That's it. You can't even tell that I have anything on, but I do. I'm going to bring it down a bit. When you're doing these type of looks, you just want to use your fingers because you have a more precise application. So we're going to do blush, and this is a Beauty Blender blush. Again, using my fingers, going to dap off the excess. So very light, nothing major. That's it, guys. I'm not going to touch this side again. That's it. So right now it is 3:55. I'm going to leave this on for about as long as I can, maybe 5-6 hours, because it is already late. It's 4. So maybe by 8-9 I'll come back and then show you guys what my face is looking like. So I'm very, very excited. Stay tuned and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about 6.5 hours. I need to take this off and then get ready for bed because I'm exhausted. I have church in the morning. I'm gonna come closer so y'all can see. So this is what it looks like. This is the part where it's literally my skin with the concealer under eye. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this is the side with the whole setting powder, foundation, blah, blah, blah. So the reason why I did it this way is because I wanted you guys to see, not everybody likes to have a full face of makeup, you know, caked onto their skin. So I wanted to show you guys what it would look like if it was by itself, and, you know, if it was literally given skin versus if it was like a full face of makeup. I think it looks really, really good. I love how it held up. Also, I was expecting that I would sweat a lot, but I didn't. I did a lot. I washed dishes, I walked the dog, I cleaned, and it still looks intact. It stayed in place. My under eye looks amazing. It still looks highlighted. It looks like it gives it that brightness that it needs. I really, really love it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, whatever, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as I see them. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.